Alright, after doing all that, we are going to go back to the expense form in the input text part, and we are going to mark on change. Then underneath the expense form, we are going to add a const title change handler, and as usual, you put parentheses and a now function like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the title change handler and put it inside here. We are going to go back to const and we're going to add a console.log. We are going to mark title change like this, and then we're going to add an event. And instead of title change, we're going to put the same as above, event.target.value. Normally, it should be good. And also in the last lesson, I forgot to put this code there in the form expense. I will let you copy everything and you should be all set for the next lesson. I will see you in the next course.